Welcome to Slow English Daily, your daily place to improve your English through listening. Listen carefully, repeat after the speaker, and practice your pronunciation naturally. Every day, a new story, new words, and a new opportunity to improve your English. Now let's start today's listening practice. My weekend. Hello again. My name is Adam. In the last lesson, I told you about my daily routine. Today, I want to tell you about my weekend. I work from Monday to Friday, so I always look forward to the weekend. Saturday and Sunday are my favorite days because I have more free time. Last Saturday, I woke up at 7 o'clock. I did not need to hurry because I did not have work. I stayed in bed for a few extra minutes and enjoyed the quiet morning. After I got up, I washed my face and brushed my teeth. Then I went to the kitchen and prepared breakfast. I made eggs, bread, and tea. Breakfast was simple, but it was delicious. After breakfast, I cleaned my room. I organized my books, folded my clothes, and put everything in the right place. I like a clean room because it helps me feel comfortable and relaxed. At 10 o'clock, I met my friend Ahmed. We decided to go to a park near our town. The weather was sunny and pleasant. Many families were enjoying their day in the park. Ahmed and I walked around the park and talked about many things. We discussed our work, our hobbies, and our future plans. It was nice to spend time together. At noon, we became hungry. We went to a small restaurant and ordered lunch. I chose grilled chicken with rice. Ahmed ordered a sandwich and a salad. The food was very tasty. After lunch, we visited a bookstore. I enjoy reading, so I like spending time in bookstores. I bought a simple English book to help me improve my language skills. In the afternoon, I returned home. I sat on the sofa and read a few pages from my new book. I learned some new words and expressions. Later, my younger brother asked me to play football with him. We went outside and played for about 1 hour. We had a lot of fun together. In the evening, my family and I visited my grandparents. They were happy to see us. My grandmother prepared tea and some sweets. We talked, laughed, and shared stories. My grandfather likes telling stories about his life. He always has interesting experiences to share. I enjoy listening to him because I can learn many things. We stayed there until 9 o'clock. Then we said goodbye and returned home. On Sunday, I decided to have a quiet day. I spent some time studying English. I listened to English videos and repeated the sentences aloud. After that, I wrote a short paragraph about my weekend. Writing helps me remember new words and improve my grammar. In the afternoon, I helped my mother with some household tasks. We cleaned the living room and prepared dinner together. After dinner, I watched a documentary about nature. It was both interesting and educational. Before going to bed, I thought about my weekend. It was simple, but it made me happy. Spending time with family, friends, and learning new things is very important to me. Every weekend gives me a chance to rest, learn, and prepare for a new week. I believe that balance between work and free time is important for a good life. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed learning about my weekend. See you in the next lesson. Thank you for listening to Slow English Daily. Practice a little every day and keep improving your English. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.